So now your camera's all set up and it's ready for a little tour. I'm going to show you around your camera. There are only two buttons on the Hero 6 Black. There's the power mode button here on the side and the shutter button here on the top with a red circle on it. As you already learned, if you press the power mode button, that'll turn your camera on. You can also use the mode button to scroll through different modes on your camera. It'll scroll through to photo mode, burst mode, time-lapse mode, and then back to video. If you're in a settings menu or you're viewing media and you want to go back into a shooting mode, you can also use the mode button to escape out back into a shooting mode. If you hold down the power mode button on the side of your camera, it'll turn your camera off. This top button here is the shutter button. You can press this to start recording video, stop recording video, or to take photos if you're in a photo mode. So to start recording, just press the button. When you're done recording, press the button again and it'll stop recording. This here is the camera status screen, which tells you some info about your mode, your settings, how many files you've shot, your memory card storage, and your battery life. When you turn your camera on, this is the home screen that you'll see. And this is where you can change all of your settings and also access other setting menus. So to change your settings, you can tap on the icons here. When you turn your camera on, it'll turn on into the default mode, which is video by default. You can change the settings by tapping that and going through the video modes, the different photo modes, or the time-lapse modes. I'm going to go back into video mode and just tap it and select your video capture mode. And then to change the settings, you can just tap on the resolution. You can go to 4K and you can go to frames, then you can change your frames per second. So you'll see that some of them are not highlighted. Those ones aren't available in this resolution. You can see that the ones that are highlighted gives you a little description of it down below the frame rate here. When it says HEVC down here, that signifies one of the new files that's using the new compression on the Hero 6 Black. If you tap over to another one, you'll see that it disappears at 4K 30. See at 4K 30, it's not there. So you can select your resolution, and then you can also select field of view if you're in certain resolutions. So if you go to 2.7K resolution, now you can tap on field of view, and you can change the field of view, and you get to see a live preview here of what it looks like. So there's linear, go to super view, and you can also use touch zoom, which is new on the Hero 6 Black. Right here there's a slider. You can just slide that up and you can zoom in or zoom out. That's not available in 4K, so then just tap when you've selected your field of view.